Welcome back to House Hunt Daily. Today we're exploring affordable homes in Oklahoma, each offering unique potential for investors, renovators, or budget-focused buyers. Let's get started. Home number 1, Verdon, Oklahoma, $80,000. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Verdon offers 1,447 square feet of living space and a solid foundation for your next project. Inside, you'll find updated windows that bring in natural light, a spacious living area, and a functional kitchen featuring solid wood cabinetry. The layout provides flexibility for future updates while keeping the home comfortable and practical. Outside, the fenced backyard includes a storage building, adding extra utility for tools, hobbies, or storage. With a garage and laundry available, this property is full of character and presents a strong opportunity for buyers looking to restore and personalize a home with long-term value. Number 2, Minco, Oklahoma, $69,000. Located in Minco, this 2014 mobile home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a practical, family-friendly layout. Major systems have already seen updates, including heating and air replaced just 3 years ago, and a roof that's approximately 5 years old, offering peace of mind for the next owner. The remodeled primary bathroom adds modern comfort, while the overall design remains easy to maintain. This home must be moved off the property, making it an ideal option for buyers who already own land or are planning a rural setup. A great choice for affordable living with flexibility. House number 3, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, $100,000. This vintage home near downtown Oklahoma City dates back to the late 1990s and is packed with classic character. Featuring 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom across 971 square feet, the home offers strong, good bones for restoration. Highlights include a storm shelter, a garage with overhead storage, and an attic with potential to become a second-floor room. The large yard provides space for pets or outdoor projects. Conveniently located near the First Americans Museum, the Okina Resort area, and within reach of Tinker Air Force Base, this property is a cash-only opportunity for buyers who appreciate historic charm and long-term potential. Number 4, Webbers Falls, Oklahoma, $40,000. This 2011 Legacy Extra-Wide mobile home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a comfortable layout and recent updates. The home includes a new AC unit installed last year, a roof approximately 3 years old, and new metal skirting. Kitchen appliances are included, and the washer and dryer can stay if desired. Both front and back porches, along with a pool deck, add outdoor living options. While some cosmetic updates are needed, the home is in overall good condition and has already been appraised. This is a house-only sale, with the buyer responsible for moving the home. Number 5, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, $20,000. Located in Overholser Village, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath, single-wide mobile home offers 1,008 square feet of affordable living space.
Built in 1983, it has seen key upgrades, including central heat and air installed in 2017, a water heater replaced in 2022, and a durable metal roof. Vinyl plank flooring enhances the living areas, while the bedrooms feature carpet for comfort. Appliances such as the stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher are included, making this a practical option for budget-conscious buyers seeking a straightforward, move-in-ready setup within a community setting.
Number 6. Altus, Oklahoma, $45,000. This three-bedroom home in Altus offers 1,549 square feet of interior space and plenty of room to reimagine. The layout includes a large kitchen, generous dining and living areas, and flexible spaces ready for updates. Outside, the spacious backyard is shaded by a mature pecan tree, creating a peaceful setting for outdoor enjoyment. Conveniently located near town and the Air Force Base, this property is well positioned for rental or resale potential. With some care and renovation, this home could become a solid long-term investment. Number 7. Guthrie, Oklahoma, $55,000. Situated in a quiet neighborhood, this two-bedroom, two-bath fixer-upper in Guthrie includes an extra room that could serve as an office or a third bedroom. The home features garage parking and ceiling fans, offering a functional starting point for improvements. It has already been appraised and is ready for a new owner to bring their vision to life. This is a cash-only sale, ideal for buyers comfortable with renovations and looking to add value in a peaceful residential area close to town amenities. Those are today's affordable Oklahoma homes. If you enjoy discovering budget-friendly properties with real potential, be sure to subscribe to House Hunt Daily for more home tours like this.